is not one who gave birth to a child biologically, but the one who gives coverage to everyone that is under him. Thank you, sir, for being powerful yet merciful.
Yes.
You have a heart of gold. Your forgiving heart is what I asked God to give to me. Taking so many bullets from even those who have drank from your cup, but yet having boisterous energy, unwavering, resolute to still preach the gospel without feeling the negative impact of those who don't like what God is doing through you. I stand behind you. I support you with all that I have. Words are not enough to describe your status quo in my life.
Yes.
Your impact in my life is undescribable.
Yes.
And I say more yes to you, sir. In Jesus' name.